Custom values in GoHighLevel allow you to personalize messages, automate workflows, and streamline repetitive tasks by using dynamic placeholders. Here's how to effectively use them. Understand custom values. Custom values act as variables that dynamically pull information, such as a client's name, email, or business details, into emails, SMS, and workflows. Create custom values. Navigate to Settings, Custom Values in your GoHighLevel account. Click Add Custom Value and provide the name and its corresponding value. These values can be universal or specific to a sub-account. Use custom values in templates. While creating emails, SMS messages, or workflows, insert custom values using the variable format. For example, in an email, you could write the following. Automate personalization. Include custom values in automation workflows, such as appointment reminders or lead follow-ups, to personalize messages without manual effort. Update custom values as needed. Return to the custom values section to edit or update variables if your business information changes.